know the standard unit of light and weight. Three objects that are longer than 1 meter. Dot, take, bus. This is gram. Watermelon is kilogram. Human is kilogram. Crayon is gram. Draw a line 13 centimeter long. This is watermelon 3 kilogram. Grape
100
100 gram.